If I open my Messenger application and if I try to call a contact, then let us see what happens. You can see I am getting a message that I should allow Messenger to access microphone. So I will go to open settings, and if I see I am not able to allow Messenger to use microphone. So let us see how to fix this issue. For this one, we will go to settings here, go to this option screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, go to microphone, select allow changes. You have to enter the screen time passcode. After that, close this one and let's go to Messenger again. Go to the contact and let me again try to call the contact. Now this time also I have to allow Messenger to access microphone, so I will go to open settings. This time if you see, I am able to allow Messenger to access microphone, and then I can call the contact. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.